Unlock financial freedom, my top side hustle tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK World 035. Today we're diving into some proven side hustle tips that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking for extra cash, this video will show you how to turn side hustles into real income streams. I'm talking about practical, actionable strategies that you can start implementing right away. We're not just going to skim the surface, we're going deep into how these side hustles work, what you need to get started, and the kind of income potential we're looking at. My goal here is to give you the tools and the motivation to take control of your financial future. So get ready to take some notes because I'm about to share some game-changing information that has personally helped countless people, and I believe it can help you too. We'll cover a range of options, from online ventures that you can do from the comfort of your home, to local services that can put cash in your pocket quickly. The key is finding what works for you, your skills, and your schedule. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. But starting a side hustle is one of the best ways to accelerate your journey towards financial independence. It's all about creating multiple streams of income. And today, we're focusing on how to build those streams effectively and efficiently. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest tips and strategies. Seriously, click that button. It costs you nothing and it helps the channel out a ton. We're building a community here at JK World 035, all focused on financial growth and success, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. So go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and let's get right into these side hustle secrets. Freelancing, monetize your skills like a pro. Alright, let's kick things off with freelancing. This is, without a doubt, one of the most accessible and potentially lucrative side hustles out there. Think about it. Companies are always looking to outsource tasks to save money and gain specialized expertise without hiring a full-time employee. This is where you, as a freelancer, come in. You can offer your services on a project-by-project basis, giving you flexibility and control over your work and income. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com have completely revolutionized the game. They act as massive marketplaces connecting freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, set your rates, and start bidding on projects or offering specific gigs. Whether your talent lies in writing, designing, developing, coding, or editing, there's a demand for it. The beauty of these platforms is that they handle a lot of the administrative stuff like payments and contracts, making it easier for you to focus on delivering high-quality work. Create a killer profile, make it professional, highlight your skills clearly, and showcase any past work. When you're new, you might need to price yourself competitively to get those first few crucial reviews. Once you have a few successful projects under your belt and some positive feedback, you can gradually start increasing your rates. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted proposal when bidding for jobs. Personalize it and show the client you understand their needs. Managing your time effectively is crucial when you're freelancing, especially if you're juggling it with a full-time job or studies. You need to be organized, set realistic deadlines, and communicate clearly with your clients. Tools like Trello, Asana, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you keep track of your projects and deadlines. Over-delivering when possible can also lead to repeat business and fantastic referrals. Think about it. A happy client is not just a source of income for one project, but potentially many more. Let's talk about the skills in demand. Writing, graphic design, programming, web development, and video editing are consistently high-paying. Even virtual assistant services like managing social media, scheduling appointments, or customer support are incredibly popular. The key to success on platforms like Fiverr is often about niching down. Instead of being a general writer, maybe you're a writer specializing in email sequences for e-commerce businesses. Scaling your freelancing income is also a real possibility. As you get more experienced and efficient, you can take on more projects or higher-paying clients. The income potential can range from a few hundred extra dollars a month to a full-time income exceeding what you might make in a traditional job. If you have a marketable skill, I highly encourage you to explore the world of freelancing. YouTube. Build your brand, share your voice, get paid. Next up, let's talk about starting a YouTube channel. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Isn't YouTube super saturated? Is it even possible to make money? And the answer is a resounding yes. Sharing valuable content, building an audience, and then monetizing that audience is a proven path. The core idea behind a successful YouTube channel is providing value to a specific audience. Just like I'm doing here on JK World 035, trying to give you actionable financial advice, you need to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills do you have that others would find interesting or useful? It could be anything: cooking, gaming, tech reviews, fitness, education, comedy, personal finance, car repairs, gardening. The list is endless. The key is to be authentic and to create content that resonates with a particular group of people. Once you have an audience, there are several ways to generate income. The most well-known is through Google AdSense, where YouTube places ads on your videos, and you get a share of the revenue. Sponsorships are another major income stream. As your channel grows, brands relevant to your niche might reach out to you to feature their products or services in your videos for a fee. Always be transparent with your audience about sponsored content. Authenticity is key. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Then there's affiliate marketing, which we'll dive into more detail later, but it's a perfect fit for YouTube. You can recommend products or services you use and love, and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. Finding your niche is probably one of the most important first steps. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Think about what unique perspective or expertise you can bring. Do some research. What are other creators in that space doing? How can you differentiate yourself? The content creation process itself involves several stages: brainstorming ideas, scripting or at least outlining, filming, and editing. You don't need super expensive gear to start. Your smartphone camera is often good enough for your first videos. Consistency is also vital. Whether you post daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, try to stick to a schedule so your audience knows when to expect new content. Engaging with your audience is paramount. Building a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Chapter 3. E-commerce Gold Rush. Sell your products online. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about the massive world of e-commerce. This side hustle has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. The internet gives you access to a global marketplace, and there are so many different avenues you can take. One incredibly popular model, especially for beginners, is print on demand, or POD. Here's how it works. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, posters, and more. You then partner with a pod service like
YOYcol. Well, YOYcol is a top-notch on-demand auto fulfillment service. With 7 years manufacturing experience, we know what we are doing. We pride ourselves on maintaining competitive price, premium quality, and lightning fast fulfillment and shipping speed. With over 1,000 product options, ranging from apparels, accessories, to home and living items, you can't run out of products to sell. Simply add text or upload images to design. Have we mentioned that all of our print is doable on every single piece of product on YOYcol? And if you want a real-time process overview and design, YOYcol's got you covered with our 3D mockup generator, which is amazing. And products you created can be synced seamlessly to Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, BigCommerce, and Wix stores. So we fulfill, pack, and ship products from our factory straight to a customer's doorstep. And you get to focus on the fun stuff: creating your custom designs, setting on product prices, and marketing your very own brand. No inventory risk, no printing cost, no storage fee, and on top of those, no hassle. YOYcol is incredibly easy to use, and we offer reliable 24/7 customer support. From setup to printing, payment to shipping, we'll be here. Choose YOYcol for a print-on-demand business.
You list these products on your own online store like Shopify or Etsy, or on the pod platform's marketplace. When a customer buys something, the POD company prints your design on the product, packs it, and ships it directly to the customer. You don't hold any inventory, so there's very little upfront cost or risk. Then there are digital products, which are my personal favorite in many ways because of the incredibly high profit margins. Think ebooks, online courses, software, stock photos, music, digital art, or printable templates like planners or checklists. Once you create the digital product, you can sell it an infinite number of times with minimal to no additional cost per sale. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own website can be used to sell these. If you're crafty or have a passion for making things by hand, selling handmade goods online is another fantastic option. Platforms like Etsy are specifically designed for artisans and crafters, connecting them with millions of buyers looking for unique handmade items. Setting up your online store might sound complicated, but platforms like Shopify have made it incredibly user-friendly. Marketing your products is where the real work comes in once your store is set up. You can't just build it and expect them to come. You'll need to leverage social media marketing, potentially run paid ads on platforms like Facebook or Google, optimize your product listings for search engines, SEO, and build an email list to communicate with potential and existing customers. Customer service and fulfillment are critical components of any e-commerce business. Scaling your e-commerce business can happen in many ways. Chapter 4: Affiliate Marketing. Earn by recommending the smart way. Let's dive into affiliate marketing, a side hustle that can be incredibly powerful if done right. The basic concept is simple. You promote other companies' products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Finding products or services to promote is the first step. There are many affiliate networks and programs out there. Amazon Associates is one of the largest and most popular, allowing you to promote almost anything sold on Amazon. Other networks like ClickBank, often for digital products, ShareASale, and Commission Junction, host thousands of affiliate programs from various companies. Many individual companies also run their own in-house affiliate programs. The absolute golden rule of affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is authenticity. Only promote products or services that you genuinely use, love, and believe will provide value to your audience. Integrating your affiliate promotions needs to be natural and add value. If you have a blog, you can write review posts, comparison articles, or tutorials that feature affiliate products. On YouTube, you can mention products in your videos, show how you use them, and include links in the description. Disclosure and transparency are non-negotiable. In many countries, including the US with FTC guidelines, you are legally required to disclose when you're using affiliate links and might earn a commission. Tracking your links and commissions is usually handled by the affiliate program or network. Building trust with your audience is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. Content strategies that work well for affiliate marketing include in-depth reviews, best of lists, tutorials, and case studies. Some common mistakes to avoid in affiliate marketing include choosing the wrong niche or products that don't align with your audience, being overly salesy, not disclosing affiliate relationships, and relying on too few affiliate programs. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its potential for passive income. It's a fantastic way to leverage your existing audience or content platform to create an additional income stream. Chapter 5: Local Services, Real-World Hustle, Real-World Cash. Now let's bring it back to the local level with side hustles that involve providing services in your own community. These are often overlooked in the age of online businesses, but they can be incredibly effective for generating cash quickly. Think dog walking, tutoring, handyman work, cleaning services, car detailing, lawn care, or even running errands for busy people. One of the biggest advantages of local service hustles is the low barrier to entry. You often don't need a fancy website or complex online marketing funnels to get started. Many of these services rely on skills you might already have or can easily learn. If you're good with pets, dog walking or pet sitting is a natural fit. If you're academically strong in a particular subject, tutoring can be very lucrative. If you're handy around the house, offering handyman services can fill a huge need for many homeowners. The power of word of mouth and local networking cannot be overstated for these types of side hustles. A satisfied customer in your neighborhood is likely to tell their friends, family, and neighbors. This can create a snowball effect, bringing you more business with very little marketing spend. Setting your rates for local services requires a bit of research. See what others in your area are charging for similar services. Consider your experience level, the cost of any supplies you might need, and the time commitment involved. You can charge hourly per service or offer package deals. Don't undervalue your time and effort. Finding clients can be as simple as putting up flyers on local community boards, posting in neighborhood Facebook groups, or telling everyone you know what services you're offering. Managing your schedule and clients efficiently is key, especially if you're doing this alongside another job. Use a calendar app to keep track of appointments and avoid double booking. Communicate clearly with your clients about your availability, what the service includes, and your pricing. Providing excellent service is the cornerstone of success in any local service business. Scaling local services is also possible. Ultimately, local services are a fantastic way to generate income quickly, often with skills you already possess. Chapter 6: Take action and build your wealth. Now it's time for you to take action. We've covered a ton of ground today, from freelancing and YouTube to e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and local services. Each of these has the potential to significantly boost your income and help you on your journey to financial freedom. But information alone isn't enough. You need to apply it. So I want you to drop a comment below and tell me which side hustle you're most excited to start. I'd love to hear from you and maybe even feature some of your stories or progress in my next video. Seriously, let me know. It helps me create content that you find most valuable. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people who could benefit from it. And don't forget to share it with a friend who's ready to build wealth too. Maybe you know someone who's been talking about wanting to make extra money but doesn't know where to start. This video could be the spark they need. Let's spread the knowledge and help each other grow. And don't forget to check out YOYcol, the link is in the description. If you're inspired by the e-commerce section and want to start creating your own custom print-on-demand products today, it's a great platform to get your designs out there with minimal risk. Subscribe to JK World 035 for more tips on building wealth, making money online, and living life on your terms. We're constantly putting out new content designed to empower you financially. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.